Hi students, sorry you missed class today. Let's just go over what you missed in AP Computer Science Principles. If you click on the daily agenda, you'll see two things that we did. We went over the Canvas, just the landing page, just to make sure you understood and got familiar where you could find things. And we also did our first lesson in code.org. If you click on code.org, the little icon inside of Canvas, it'll take you right to code.org. So first, let me give you your homework for the day. Again, I just want you to practice with code.org and get yourselves familiar with that platform. So log into code.org. Some of you have more than one login account as well, so that's kind of why we're doing lesson 1 today, so I can see which account you actually want to use for the remainder of the semester. Go to your period, Unit 1. And then you are going to work through lesson 1. Notice that these bubbles need to be green and then purple for the third one, or have a check mark. That tells me and tells you that you've completed the lesson for the day. If you click on where it says number 1 with the little icon, it's just an overview of what the lesson is going to entail. The resources are also downloadable, but it's not necessary to download. In code.org, make sure you're always pressing continue or finish or submit, and they're always orange to let yourself and me know that you have finished that part of the lesson. And notice that your little diamond above is green in lesson 1. Please watch the video and press continue. And finally, read the quotes carefully and respond to the prompt below. When you respond to the prompt below and press submit, you will see that third bubble become purple and with a purple check mark, and that's what I need for you to do for your homework. Next, just a couple things on my landing page to get familiar with. Office hours are 1 to 3 daily. It's an open Zoom where you can click on office hours and come in and ask any question you may have. Make sure that you say, "Hey, Mrs. Richardson," or yell for me if you don't see me on the screen because I could be away from my computer. If you'd rather have a scheduled time to meet with me, feel free to email me and we can set that time up, or use this Calendly app on your computer for a way to register as well. You'll see Flipgrid, you'll see Zoom, you'll see computer science opportunities, and the college AP or College Board AP icon that we'll be using next week. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.